video, we are going to show you how to use the air fryer. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, because we spend a lot of resources, data. We buy these air fryers to do these wonderful videos for you guys, so that you don't spoil your air fryers at home. So, 3.2 liters air fryer. We also have this is the 6 liter air fryer. We also have the 5 liters air fryer. They still have the same mechanisms here, like you set the temperature and the time. So all of them work in the same way. They work in a way that, in the conventional way, that the heat is being supplied and circulated using a fan. That is why it's called air fryer. And it is very advantageous because it makes sure that it filters oil from whatever you're doing. So you're eating food with less cholesterol. Example. Let's open this. The first thing you want to do whenever you have an air fryer is this particular part must be like this, not like this, so that excess oil can drain under. When the excess oil drains under, then you can remove your food with less cholesterol and very healthy. You put back. Always read the instructions, please. I'm begging. Try to always read the instructions. Now, if you see here, on top of the air fryer, they're giving you instructions. If you want to do your steaks, the time, the temperature, and the time, this is 15 to 20 minutes. It should be high heat. 15 to 22 minutes. This one is for chicken. This one is for fish. 8 to 14 minutes, and 15 to 18 minutes also for different kinds of food. Now, you can also use the air fryer to act like a microwave to pre-warm your food before eating, especially frozen food from the fridge. Now, once you've gotten the air fryer and you want to work with it, it is advisable to first of all switch on the air fryer for at least 5 minutes with the highest degree. So it should be 120. Some air fryers have 180. Some even have right up to 250, depending on the kind of air fryer. Now, air fryers work almost the same way. In fact, the same way like halogen oven. The same way that air transports the heat around the food to circulate it to go evenly. So it makes the food to cook all through, not one-sided. So the air circulates the heat so that the food can cook all through to give you a wonderful, ready to eat meal. Now let us go to work. Now, if you want to grill like fish, I advise that after you must have set this man like this, you oil it a little bit. You can use oil, or you can just use, there's this paper that they use for grilling, for using in the microwave and this kind of things. You put this, you put that paper, put your stuff, and take a spraying bottle to spray the oil on whatever. Small oil, just spray oil on them so that it can go to the air fryer. Then you slide it inside. After you must have preheated it for 5 minutes, you set the temperature depending on the particular food you want to do. Now, mind you, when the thing is ready, or when the time is like the time that you said has elapsed, you hear this sound. This sound is a sound that will show you that, okay, time is up for what you said. Now you can come and check your food. If it is ready, if it is what you want, then you can remove it and maybe flip it to the other side if you want to flip, or start eating and enjoying your food. Air fryers are safe to use and wonderful to use. So now let's get to work. Enough of the talking, let's get to work. So I forgot to say something very important also. For the air fryers, always make sure that where you're putting them, there is space so that the air needs to circulate very well. So this is the end product after using our 6 liter air fryer. This is the end product that you can see here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God bless you. Guys, it's wonderful. Out of
of this world, well, properly cooked and all of the nutrients intact, you don't feel the oil nature. It is wonderful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us for more tips.